Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to clear search history on Skyscanner. I wonder why you want to know how to clear search history on Skyscanner. Maybe because someone else uses your account, so you just want to keep your privacy by just clearing the search history. Or maybe you just want to keep your privacy by clearing it, or there could be any other reason. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Skyscanner app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, first you will read the title of the app, and there you will see different options. Right now we are into the home section, therefore we could see all these options. Other than that home, we have two other options, which are trips and profile, which is at the bottom of the page. So from all these options, if you want to clear out search history for any other reason, therefore you have to go to your profile, which is at the right bottom side of the screen. But before, if you click on trips, you will see this interface. There you could plan out trips for future and maybe for vacation. So here now we have to go to our profile, therefore we have to click on this option, profile. Once you click here, you will land here. You will read the title of profile at the top, and there you will see different options. There you could also see this option, which is your profile icon. Just simply click onto it, and then you will get into detail personal information of your account. Now here you could see we have different options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, you just have to simply click on to this option which says account management. Once you tap on it, first you will read a title of account management, and there you will see two options. Both two options are different, and with the help of first option you can clear up your search history of your account. If you have searched for different places, hotels, and maybe places to visit, with the help of that you can delete that search history. So once you click on yes delete, all the search history that is in your account will get deleted. Now, if you're sharing your account with someone, then you don't have to worry about if that person could see what have you searched on the app. Or maybe if you're sharing your mobile phone with the other person, then the same thing, that you don't have to worry about your search history because it has been deleted. And for the future, if you search for anything and if you again want to delete that, then you have to follow the same instructions and you can also delete the search history. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can delete the search history on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.